Hey Earth Squad, meet the Dracula Parrot, the goth bird that literally eats with its face. No feathers, just bare black skin, like a vampire ready to dive in. This New Guinea rainforest legend is jet black with blood-red belly, wings, and tail patches, plus piercing red eyes and a hooked beak that screams horror movie. Why the naked face? Genius hack. It plunges headfirst into ripe figs. No sticky pulp mats feathers. Keeps it clean while chowing down on its favorite and almost only food, figs. It glides through the trees, screams like a banshee, lives in pairs or small flocks, and looks terrifying, but it's 100% vegan fruit lover. No blood, no meat, just fig feasts. Nature's ultimate goth icon. Who knew parrots could be this dramatic? Mind blown? Comment goth bird goals or nightmare fuel below. Subscribe to the Earth Network for more wild bird secrets, and let's celebrate these feathered legends.